everybody, I'm Dan Kirk, the juggler with the yellow shoes. It's school assembly time. Kicking off the 24-25 school year, I do educational assemblies, make them fun because I'm a juggler. Today I'm talking about the truth about drugs. I interweave the message and entertain. So whatever topic I'm talking about, I do a truth about drugs program, a stop bullying program, a reading program, the science of juggling, a program on dealing with anxiety, and just for fun. We can have just for fun program too if that's what you're looking for. I do programs for elementary schools and middle schools, and sometimes, like today, this is a small school, so when I do the middle school, they're just gonna have the high schoolers join. I'm doing my Truth About Drugs program today. Check out my website, dankirk.com. Click on any of the school stuff for more information. That's dankirk.com. Call or text 920-722-1881. Love to come to your school. I perform in a lot of the Chicago area schools and all of Wisconsin, Iowa, Minnesota. So check me out. Love to come visit you. Thanks.
So if today I drop the bowling ball, I guarantee you're going to have a bad day. Yeah. Very close to it. Get that one. Get that one. Get that one right